They say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Yes, but it also begins with clarity, a goal in mind, and a route to reach the destination. Mirae Asset began its incredible journey in India in 2008, and we are proud to be standing at 1 lakh crore rupees in 2021. A phenomenal progress story that has made Mirae Asset one of the fast-growing financial companies in the country. Our team would like to thank you in their own special way.
The Mirae Asset Group started its business in India in 2007-2008. At that point of time, the requirement to start an AMC was a paid-up capital of just 5 crores. But we were capitalized at 230 crores. Just shows the commitment of the group to India. The mandate to us was to build a long-term sustainable business. And this we could not have done over these years without the support of all of you. Please remember, you had the choice. But we will perpetually remain thankful for you having chosen us and making us one of the fastest growing asset management companies in India. As we stand on the threshold of a lakh of crores in asset under management, let me also thank you for the fact that you've built this in such a sustainable manner by providing us an SIP book of over 750 crores. Our endeavor will be to provide better risk-adjusted returns across all asset classes, and we will continue to innovate in launching simple and differentiated products in times to come. At the same time, we will continue building good track record for our existing business. So I'd like to thank you once again for providing us this unconditional support over this period of time, a time which has seen its share of ups and downs, and for which we will remain eternally grateful to all of you. Thank you very much.
On behalf of the team, we would like to express our deep gratitude for the trust and confidence our investors and channel partners have shown. Over the years, we have significantly improved on our team, systems, and investment processes so that we can deliver a competitive and consistent performance. We would like to mention that investors first was and will remain the unchanged agenda as we progress further. We look forward to what the future would unfold and remain committed to put in best of our efforts.
Achieving AUM of 1 lakh crore has been very satisfying indeed. In the last 4 years that were dominated by amongst the most severe credit crisis that industry faced and by the volatility caused by COVID disruption, our process-driven approach of a flexible interest rate strategy and anchoring on high-quality credit has given us the satisfaction of successfully navigating this tumultuous period while avoiding any major mishap. Having sort of relaunched the debt side, then it is tremendously pleasing to witness our debt investor base and AUM grow consistently, and having crossed $1 billion mark already. We hope to continue to provide a rewarding experience to our investors in coming times as well. Your support and encouragement will continue to drive us to excel even more. Thank you so much.
मैंने ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਸਾਂਝੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਬੜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮਿਰਾਏ ਐਸੈਟ ਨੇ 1 ਲੱਖ ਕਰੋੜ ਦਾ AUM ਕ੍ਰਾਸ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੈ। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਿਆਰ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
Thank you all, our partners, investors and stakeholders
for your love, support and encouragement.
Thank you all.
आपके स्नेह,
सहयोग
और प्रोत्साहन के लिए बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद।
आप सभी के प्यार, समर्थन और प्रोत्साहन के लिए बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार।
आपण मानकर भल पाइबा समर्थन सहयोग पाई मिराई एसेट आज 1 लाख करोड़ AUM रे पहुंची पारी छी। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार। Very happy to inform you that Mirae Asset have achieved important milestone of 1 lakh crore AUM. This could not have been possible without your support. So thank you very much for all your love, support and encouragement. Thank you.
आपका प्यार, विश्वास और प्रोत्साहन के लिए बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद।
मुझे आप सभी को बताते हुए काफी खुशी हो रही है कि मेरे एसेट म्यूचुअल फंड ने 1 लाख करोड़ का AUM क्रॉस कर लिया है। आपके
सहयोग, प्यार, विश्वास बनाए रखने के लिए आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद।
आप सबका प्रेम, साथ में संवाद बदल खूब-खूब आभार।
आप सबनो प्रेम, सहकार અને પ્રોત્સાહન બદલ ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર।
We are now 1 lakh crore.
Thank you for your trust, for your support and your encouragement.
Thank you.
नमस्कार. आजच्या शुभ दिवशी मला आपल्या सर्वांना सांगण्यास खूप आनंद होत आहे की मिरे ॲसेटने 1 लाख कोटी AUMचा महत्त्वाचा टप्पा आज पार केला आहे. हे आपल्या समर्थनाशिवाय शक्य नव्हते. यासाठी आपले मनापासून धन्यवाद.
ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಕ್ಕಾಗಿ
எங்களுடைய அன்பிற்கும் ஆதரவிற்கும் ஊக்கத்திற்கும் எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த நன்றிகள்.
നിങ്ങൾ നൽകിയ എല്ലാ സ്നേഹത്തിനും
സഹകരണത്തിനും
പ്രോത്സാഹനത്തിനും അകമഴിഞ്ഞ നന്ദി.
Our passion to grow has only got stronger with time. We appreciate and value you all. Our dream is not ours alone. It is a reality today because of each one of you. We thank you 1,000,000,000 times and look forward to many more such achievements in the future. Mirae Asset is proud to reach 1 lakh crore rupees of assets under management. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.